Here I have VIVO V23, and today I'm going to show you how to enable installation from the unknown sources on this device. So firstly, let's open settings, then go to the apps section, special app access, and here you have to select install unknown apps. Here you can see the whole list of apps through which you can install unknown apps. Let's pick for example Chrome, and then tap allow from this source, and now you can install unknown apps for the Google Chrome as much as you like. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.